Everyone, today we are going to discuss about some minerals. So minerals, as we all know, that's important for India's development, political, economic, and all kind of development. So that's why we are here discussing some mineral in industries. So first of all, we are discussing important minerals. Then we will go for the important industries. Okay, so this page is about the cotton industries, but first we are just verbally discussing some minerals. So mica is a valuable mica is a valuable mineral which is used in electrical and its abrak and electronic industry. Bihar, Gaya, Jharkhand, Hazaribagh is largest mica producing in India, and Andhra Pradesh in Nellore, and Rajasthan Ajmer, Byawar, Tonk, Bhilwara and Sikar. Now limestone. So limestone is like basically 75% used in the cement industry. Okay, and 16% that is used in the iron and steel industry, and 4% that is used in the chemical industry. So for the limestone, Madhya Pradesh, there is Satna, Jabalpur, and Betul. Satna, Jabalpur, Betul, Sagar is important. Chhattisgarh like Bilaspur, Raigad and Raipur. Telangana, Adilabad, Warangal, Nalgonda and Mehboob Nagar. Karnataka, there is a Bijapur, Gulbarga and Shimoga. Shimoga is basically for cement grade limestone. Andhra Pradesh, there is Guntur. Rajasthan, there is Junjunu, Bikaner, Nagaur, Jodhpur. Chittorgarh, Ajmer. Gujarat, there is Banaskantha and Amreli. Okay. Now another mineral is dolomite. So dolomite is Bihar is important for dolomite. Rohtas, Jharkhand, there is Chaibasa and Singhbhum district. Palamu and Singhbhum both are important for the dolomite. And Madhya Pradesh, there is Chhindwara and Jabua district. Chhindwara and Jabua in Madhya Pradesh. And Chhattisgarh, there is Bilaspur, Durg and some district, Gujarat, Bhavnagar and Vadodara. Okay, now next one is asbestos. Asbestos, for asbestos, there is Rajasthan, there is Alwar, Ajmer, Pali, Udaipur. Pali and Udaipur. That districts are like basically for abrak, like asbestos. Sorry, asbestos. There is the asbestos used in making proof clothes, rope, paper, paint, and all. Shimoga, Chikmagalur, and Hassan in Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. Kadapa district is basically for the asbestos. Now, gypsum. Gypsum is generally used in making ammonium sulfate fertilizer in cement industry. Rajasthan, largest producer of gypsum, and Churu, Ganganagar, Bikaner, and Jammu Kashmir, Baramulla and Doda district, and Tamil Nadu, Tiruchirappalli. Now diamond. Diamond is like Madhya Pradesh, Panna. Okay, and Andhra Pradesh, Anantapur, and Kurnool, that are famous for that, and Karnataka, Bellary, and Odisha is Sambalpur. Now uranium. Uranium is basically used as nuclear fuel, and Bihar, Gaya is famous for uranium. Jharkhand, Hazaribagh, Singhbhum, Uttar Pradesh, Saharanpur, Rajasthan, Udaipur, and Kerala, uranium from monazite sand we get from Kerala coast. Thorium in Bihar. Gold in Andhra Pradesh. Gold again in Andhra Pradesh and Anantapur district, Karnataka, Hatti mines of gold, Kolar mines of gold, and Kerala, Kozhikode. Copper Copper is generally Jharkhand Hazaribagh, Singhbhum Madhya Pradesh Balaghat, Andhra Pradesh Guntur Kurnool, Telangana Khammam, Rajasthan Jhunjhunu Khetadi Alwar, Maharashtra Chandrapur, and Karnataka Chitrabanga Hassan district. Now lead and zinc. Okay, lead and zinc. Lead and zinc are basically Sikkim, Meghalaya, and Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. Jawar mines and Banaskantha, Panchmahal in Gujarat. Iron is generally Singhbhum. Singhbhum in Jharkhand. Odisha, Mayurbhanj is famous for iron. Noa Mundi, Sindurpur, Kiriburu, and Badampur. Madhya Pradesh, Jabalpur. Chhattisgarh, Durg district. Andhra Pradesh, Guntur, Kurnool, same. Tamil Nadu, Salem, Tiruchirappalli. Maharashtra, Sarajgarh. Goa, blue dust, iron mainly for export. And Karnataka, Bellary, and Kerala, Kozhikode. Bauxite. Bauxite is basically like Jharkhand, Palamu district in Ranchi, and Madhya Pradesh, Katni, Amarkantak, Chhattisgarh, Sarguja, Odisha, Kalahandi, Tamil Nadu, Salem, Gujarat, Sabarkantha, Jamnagar, and Maharashtra, Kolaba, Ratnagiri, and Karnataka, Belgaum. Now, some coal mines are there, like Gondwana coal Gondwana coalfield. Gondwana coalfield is valley of Son, Damodar, and Mahanadi and Godavari. This is like Giridih, Jaria, Bokaro, Raniganj in West Bengal, Odisha, Hemgir, Talcher, Kantapalli, Telangana, Singrauli, Madhya Pradesh, Singrauli. And lignite coal is in Tamil Nadu, Neyveli, Jammu Kashmir, Rajasthan, and Palana. And tertiary coalfield is basically like Assam, Sibsagar, Najira, Jajni, and oil field in Assam, Digboi, Naharkatia. Okay, Digboi, Naharkatia, Moron, and offshore oil field is in Mumbai High and basin Rawa and Eliabet. Oil refineries are basically Assam, Digboi, Guwahati, and Bihar is Baroni. Uttar Pradesh is Mathura. Like oil refinery in Assam, Digboi, Bihar, Baroni, Uttar Pradesh, Mathura, Gujarat, Koyali, and Maharashtra, Mumbai, Karnataka, Mangalore, and Kerala, Kochi. So these are some oil refineries. Hope you enjoyed this lecture. This was very small but very like informative, as minerals are very important. So you can listen this